When I first got Alexa, I could imagine all kinds of possibilities for what it could do. I sort of got obsessed with it. My students, when they find out that I'm a skill developer, they actually think that's way cooler than being a philosophy professor. Alexa, ask Big Sky for the weather at the Eiffel Tower.
It's 65 degrees with
I just
blue
wanted a
skies.
skill that could give me just the information I needed without giving a full weather report. Alexa, ask Big Sky if it will rain at 5 p.m.
No. there's
Big
no
Sky
percentage.
has almost 800 reviews and a 4.4-star rating. Many reviews just say it's the perfect weather skill. Alexa, ask Big Sky for the weather at Mom's house.
You've requested a premium feature. Would you like to try premium for free?
Yes. With in-skill purchasing, I'm able to offer a much more engaging experience for the customer. My in-skill product is offered on a monthly subscription. You get a number of custom features. Alexa, ask Big Sky for the weather on June 1st, 1980.
There was foggy weather in the morning. The high
50% of the people who are offered this subscription convert to make the purchase. They're definitely encouraging me to build more skills and try to build my voice business. I think there's a lot of possibilities in the future.